Blue Mountains National Park, New South Wales, Australia. This is unreal. This is less than 2 hours by train, a car, a bus, however you want to get here, from Sydney. And it is just absolutely unreal. Like, I did this hike, this little walk hike at night last night. It's really cool. They light up some of the path as well as have these floodlights on certain parts of a couple of the waterfalls, some parts of the mountains, some parts of the cliffs. It is really cool to see at night. And then during the day, it's also really cool. It's just different. This is unreal. And I'm only looking, this is one direction of the park. In the middle, between the other direction of the park, the other side, is one of the cities. There's a couple cities all along the train route and stuff. Yeah, this feels like the Grand Canyon of Australia. I know this isn't the only place that's like this, but yeah, this is spectacular. I don't even know what to say. And there's more canyons to come later in the day, so wow. Currently hiking through the Blue Mountains Grand Canyon. Pretty spectacular. Dropped all the way down. Now I'm hiking through the canyon. I would never believe that this is Australia. I don't know. This is really cool. It feels almost, honestly, it feels more like a rainforest through here. More of a jungle than anything else. I don't know. I guess I should have expected it from looking out over the park. From the other side, and just how lush everything was. But yeah, this is pretty incredible. Very different than the United States Grand Canyon. That's for damn sure. I feel like regardless of the season that you go into the Grand Canyon, it's going to be some level of hot at some point in the day, and I'm sure it gets this way here in the summer too. But I don't know. This is like ideal, perfect. I don't even have the words to describe it. It's pretty incredible. I lied before. Uninformed, thinking I was at the bottom of the canyon. Turns out I wasn't. Dropped another 100 meters since the last update, but it continues to be lush and insane and so different from the US Grand Canyon. Look at that. It's a jungle. Crazy. Made it out of the canyon. I'm now walking along the canyon ridge towards and then into the town of Blackheath. And then we'll see what's going on there. I'm snacking on my fresh baguette. Doing this little walk along the top of the ridge and just enjoying it all. It's nice here. Yeah, getting close to the end of my day in the Blue Mountains. Came across the perfect, I'm gonna call it a watering hole. But the perfect kupatsa spot, perfect spot to take a dip, rinse off, have a little water frolic. But I didn't bring my little neoprene booties for my feet. So my friend David's gonna be really disappointed in me that I did not do a dip. But I did do a little head kupatsa, so at least he'd be partially less enraged. But yeah, so my day in the Blue Mountains coming to an end. Only less than a kilometer, or about a kilometer I think to go until I just have to wait for my bus. There's one more view.